Guys, let's look at Jacob's room. Look at all the Mickey stuff.
Yeah, you made most of it for me, except for that one. Greg made that for me.
Show him broken Mickey.
Broken? So sad though.
Levi. This is Levi. He's my bud. So I bought him this.
This is how good of a boyfriend I am. Isn't that sad? Look, he still has one foot.
We already glued him together once, and then he broke it again. You're missing his leg. Oh. Oh, yeah.
And then,
I think you're missing a part of his leg.
Yeah, I think here's the other foot. And here's, I think that's a leg.
Yep. He's supposed to get another one this trip.
I never found his other ear.
No.
Because
Maybe Wesley ate it.
I had him up on my headboard.
Up here.
And then Levi jumped on the bed and shook it, and it fell off and exploded in the middle of the night. I never found his ear. It's probably somewhere in there.
Oh,
so,
look at
there's that. Alrighty.
See, this is what drives me nuts. He just throws all of his clothes on a pile on his bed. And he doesn't, like, fold them right away. Golf shirt.
Now it's Disney packing. This doesn't feel quite right without it.
Stay home. Levi, do you feel at home? You feel like you're in the
He is just
wild? Look at that box.
Going to town on that thing.
Dude, that was like a full box when I gave it to him.
It's disgusting.
You're gross. Look at him.
Wow.
Well, I just don't want you wearing. I don't want you wearing tennis shoes.
Or these.
Yeah, those would work.
These are these.
Brown. First blooper of the trip.
That worked well. That worked really well. I tried to do that. Here we are. Now it's Caitlin packing time.
Shorts.
See if she's faster than me. I doubt it.
Probably not.
She's picky. Say hi to Dubai.
Oh, I think it's little Dubai.
Oh boy. Boy, all of your shorts that look the same. Just some have more rips than others.
I need these.
Should we do it? Oh goodness. At least they'll be nice and ventilated. Down in the Florida heat. Let's do a tour. Creepy painted Mickeys. Mike Wazowski. Look, I'm the best boyfriend because I got her this.
You are.
Isn't that incredible? It's ginormous. I didn't know it would be that big. And you can't get them that big, but I have my ways.
Somehow he did it.
I have my ways. She's all Beauty and the Beast decked out.
Okay. What shirts?
I took most of those black and white pictures.
You brought this shirt?
Because I'm awesome.
You brought this one?
Yes.
Don't fall.
Oh, I almost hurt myself.
Okay. Tiger shirt?
I was getting the boys.
Aw, rest in peace.
Well, they're not dead. They're just,
basically.
well, no. Oh, let's get all the animals. Dumbo. Dumbo flat paw. Because he's a pillow. But now he's been slept on, so now his head's awfully narrow. This is Pua 2.0. Ginormous Pua 2.0.
He's coming on the plane.
He's monstrous.
I have too many Disney clothes.
Look how big he is compared to the suitcase. Finding Dory Otter. From the cuddle party itself.
Oh my god, I have way too many clothes. Like, I have too many Disney.
Oh no. Here we are in Appleton.
Look at my ears. It's 4 in the morning.
It's 4:21. T-minus 20 minutes till boarding. Right?
Right. I got pull up. There he is. Hi, everybody. Hi, Pull.
Ready for takeoff. We're really bummed because people did our crosswords in our magazine already. So now what am I supposed to do for an hour? Besides
Listen to Heya.
I had it on my phone. The full show. I had my ways. Just like getting the wishes poster. We moving. Really close.
I can't listen at the same time.
What?
My headphones don't reach as far for you when we were backed up.
I'll get closer.
ATW, the ORD.
Right.
What?
You can kind of see us moving.
Yeah.
Slowly. Getting there.
We'll take off soon.
Dial 0 for a message. Vernon McFarland.
We're here.
To a page phone.
And it threw me all off because the funnel was not the funnel because it was different.
I thought it was the same. It was different, but I mean...
Look at our shirts. You can't really see mine.
Good morning, Spirit Flight 1669 from Columbus. We are moving to 22, Carousel 22.
Probably.
Spirit passenger
Probably.
from Columbus. You can pick your baggage at carousel number 22. Spirit passengers
Our
from
clubs are
311
coming in
Atlanta
down over
City.
there.
We are moving you to carousel number 22 for this time.
I know.
You can put your baggage
I
at
know.
22. Spirit Flight
Melissa says she's here
1669
already.
From Columbus.
Yeah.
We are moving you to 22. Spirit Flight 311 from Atlanta City.
We need to get
We
our
are moving you
bags
to
and try to
carousel
fit
number 22.
3 suitcases and 2 golf clubs and all 4 people into a small Kia Soul.
1669. We are moving to
Yeah.
22.
Oh, she won't get them. Oh, look at all the stickers.
I know, she has the purple one that I want.
Why are they all on one side?
Family reunion!
Mom's gonna have to sit.
Here, put Pua in there. Put him in the back seat. And just put my purse in there. Put everything in here that we have right now. Because we need all the hands we can get. You're not going to be able to wait here. You're probably going to get yelled at. Here's Alyssa's car. Waiting for our bags. My mom already got hers. So she's all set.
I told you I'll be last. Oh, there are clubs.
Our clubs!
At least those survived.
You got that one too?
Just hope none
Okay, now we need clothes.
Well, the clubs are more important. I can wear the same pair of clothes all week or for the next 10 days.
Should I take these to the car?
I can take them. Or do you want me to stay here?
Yeah, take them. I can grab the 2 suitcases.
You know, are they that way?
Go straight out those doors.
Are they that way?
But no, straight out the doors. And then just look for the green Kia, because I don't know where she ended up.
No, that's why I'm asking.
I don't know where they are. Just go straight out. Recording that entire time.
On the seat somewhere. Oh.
Okay. Here we are. Is my purse in here?
Oh yeah. Here it is.
Is my purse in here?
What yeah, it's down by Jacob's feet, I think. Yeah. Here it is.
I don't know. I
in the
can't see
middle.
my feet.
It's right here, Caitlin.
That's my leg!
Yeah, but this thing right next to your leg is your purse.
Okay. Whew. 2 sets of golf clubs on our laps.
My legs are gonna fall. My legs are gonna
Good
fall.
thing our room is bed. I don't know if I can. Yeah, you can.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There she is.
I'm home. Welcome to our room. We're in Old Key West, and we always stayed here when we were kids. We have a 2-bedroom, and we're overlooking the golf course, and we're on Villards Road, room 2 something. 2130. 2130. This is our bedroom for the kids. Thumper. Thumper's back home. Closet. Bathroom. This is our living room. We didn't get a renovated room, which is pathetic. Stacy. Should we go out here? Here's our view. Let's go see my mom's room. Laundry room.
What?
Big tub. Master bedroom, which also has a door to the balcony. See? We're all filled up.
I gotta shop for some sunglasses because I left them back
There's
in
probably
Wisconsin,
some in
so I
here.
can't really get them.
Woo.
So
Mom, here, I'll buy you this Rice Krispie treat. That's your present.
no, I'll get these chocolates.
Babe, you want a pair of sunglasses?
Ooh, the pink ones?
Look at Kincaid. He is so mean. No one could ever finish that puzzle.
I think so.
Look, we have that, and we play it all
We
the
do.
time. It has a pop-up cast on the middle.
Do you want one of those sunglasses?
Do you like any of these?
Original of what?
Member thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They changed it to this.
Where's Mitch? Where's Mitch? I found a section.
The alcohol.
Babe, this is what we should get for our wedding. Fairy tale celebration.
should.
Food.
Yum yums.
Num nums. Look at all the vacation club purses they have here. Why was it such a struggle to get one? Oh my god, I want that. I want that. I want that for my keys.
I want the mic was down.
I really want that.
You want to carry this thing around?
On my keys, yeah, I do.
Get it then.
I'll get it. I might get it. I'll look at Epcot.
You just got $250 from your books, so you gotta spend it on something. Get a medallion.
I had that. I got rid of it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Babe, here.
I know. I just pointed that out, but you weren't listening.
Oh, I'm sorry. The bus is here.
Epcot.
Hi. Christ, Jacob.
Here we go.
Where are we going?
Let's try this
Alright.
again.
Do over. Now Jacob has been to every festival at Epcot.
Yep.
He's really big.
He is big.
Don't be nailed down.
I know.
They're on today with security.
Look at your ears. In the spirit of
Flower and garden.
flower and garden. Where are we going?
Spaceship Earth.
Spaceship.
Yeah, we have fast pass. For Judy.
Jody Dench.
Judy Dent.